Now that you're a member, you may have a problem, issue, or just want to get a special role or be a part of a special project that may require you to get a hold of a mod that is on our team. So to do that, you'd go under Administration Desk, select Support Desk, and just like you did at the time of joining, you would click Create Ticket. And just like with the join tickets, your ticket will appear at the very top of the Discord. When it is up there, a mod, the next available mod, will be in contact with you. Sometimes that does take a little bit of time due to the minimal amount of mods that we do have, and most of us, if not all of us, being in the US. For our general example, we will say I want to join Aonn Craft, and that is a custom role, much like the YouTuber rank, where a few additional questions would have to be answered. And for the Aonn Craft specifically, they will ask you for your either Java or Bedrock name so that they can add you to the whitelist. Now, Nova and Otagu at the current moment are the only people who can add you to the whitelist. Now, currently we don't have the Minecrafter role. You don't necessarily need the Minecrafter role, but most people do due to their interest in Minecraft. So, TeamAONN is one of our Minecraft accounts for Java. So I said my in-game name is TeamAONN and that I use Java. That way, if I have problems with the server, since Nova is one of the head people of the Minecraft server, he knows what he's troubleshooting. And then once I do have that role, if I click my name, I will see it as well as the hidden chat. And now I can now see the Aonn Craft private chat, because again, it's by assignment only due to the private whitelist. And either they can close it or you can close it by just hitting close and close. We kind of abandoned Nova. I'm sure he's fine with it. But you would do the same if you were wanting the YouTube or Twitch, basically a content creator for that one. We'd ask you what either your YouTube, Twitch is, or if you're like a TikToker, what your TikTok is. But that's pretty much how you create a help ticket for our support desk, and also how you join our Aonn Craft. This has been Otagu. Remember to like, subscribe, check us out at TeamAONN.com. We cannot wait to see you here.